What's up, everybody? It's Luke with Cool and Electric. Hey, I'm going to do a little tool review. I am an old school electrician is what I've been told. I still feel young and healthy, but I'm a DeWalt guy. All right, I've been black and yellow as the best thing. But my apprentice, Daniel, is becoming a lead tech here soon, this year probably. And he's wanting to step up his tool game. And so he went and bought a Milwaukee impact set, the M18. So I'm gonna review it real quick. These cases are pretty sick. I'll admit that's not too bulky. The DeWalt ones are pretty bulky, but this one, that's definitely gonna protect his stuff. I would probably keep it in a little flexible bag anyways, because we work service calls, but that is a pretty good case. I'm impressed with that. All right, let's see here. Okay, open up the case. If you haven't seen these before and you're considering them, they seem to be built pretty dang good. It's got this charger. The charger can do the 18 volts and it can do the little M12 as well. That's a pretty neat thing. You don't have to have multiple chargers. That's pretty good. All right. And then got the good light on it. It's got the torque settings on it. 1, 2, 3. And then if you're lefty like me, you can switch your hook, but it comes on the right side, but you can switch that around. Battery seems pretty good. It's got a charge level on it too. That's pretty standard for all of them now. This case comes with the good 5.0. It doesn't have the thin batteries. I can't remember the small little thin batteries, but these have a long lifespan, so should be able to drill a bunch of holes with it. Let's see here. It's a pretty good chuck. It comes with the 2 batteries, and then I don't really know if you would use the case much with this little thing. It kind of seems like wasted space, but I guess that protects the drill maybe. I don't know. Kind of seems bulky, but it's good. If you're looking for just an impact, that's a good little set. I don't know how much you paid for it, to be honest with you, but I could link that on the description. If it was me, I'm an old school guy. Okay, I would not just buy an impact. I don't see the purpose in that. I'd want a drill, I'd want an impact, and a freaking sawzall. I know the new guys like the little baby hacksaw things to pretend like they're electricians, but a sawzall can cut anything. You can cut wood, you can cut metal, you can cut down a house if you want. A sawzall is awesome. So I don't know why you want to do that. But if you're looking for just an impact, I don't know pricing wise, but it looks like it's built pretty dang well. So I'm impressed. It looks sharp.